Hi there and welcome to episode 2 of my Chevy small block rebuild. In this one I'm upgrading to roller cam and new cylinder heads. This is my old Edelbrock RPM flat tappet cam, which I'm now replacing with a GM LT4 hot cam. I start by setting the crankshaft at 2 o'clock position. I'm installing the crank gear in its standard position. I'm installing the cam gear temporarily. It works as a handle when sliding in the cam. There's a bit too much play here, that needs to be fixed. Now the gears are perfectly aligned. I decided to upgrade to new cylinder heads, but since I'm on a tight budget, I went with budget-friendly no-name 195cc heads. To check the valve springs, I use my milling machine, a bathroom scale and a thick aluminum plate to see if there were any differences between the springs. The readings aren't correct, but I could see that they were all very close in strength. Next, I did a test assembly using light checking springs. And this doesn't look good at all. The sweep is centered, but way too wide. After some googling I found that this was borderline but still considered okay. So I left it as it was. This was probably a bad decision. More on that in the next episode. At the same time I checked the minimum clearance between the pistons and valves, and that looked fine. Time to adjust the valve lash. I do this in 2 steps. First, I make sure cylinder 1 is at top dead center, and the lifters on cylinder 1 are just above their lowest position and in overlap. In this position I adjust exhaust 2, 5, 6 and 7, intake 3, 4, 6 and 8. Since I have hydraulic lifters, I tightening each rocker until the slack is just gone. Then turn the nut another half turn and lock it. Next I rotate the crank exactly one full turn, so cylinder 1 is at top dead center again, but now the lifters on cylinder 6 are just above their lowest position and in overlap. Now I adjust exhaust 1, 3, 4 and 8. Intake 1, 2, 5 and 7.